Introducing the ReliaTack Articulating Reloadable Fixation device with standard and deep purchase tacks. Now featuring single-turn articulation knob and optimized shipping wedge for intuitive loading. This video will review the packaging, loading, and unloading process and using the device. Always refer to the IFU for complete instructions. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The ReliaTack Articulating Reloadable Fixation device is intended for single-use only. It is packaged sterile. ReliaTack Fixation device is available in two configurations. One handle with 3 10-tack standard purchase reloads or one handle with 3 8-tack deep purchase reloads and one 5-tack deep purchase reload. Please be sure to remove the reloads from the box when removing the handle. If more than 30 tacks are needed, additional 5 and 10-tack standard purchase reloads and 5 and 8-tack deep purchase reloads are packaged individually and available for use. ReliaTack Fixation device can fire up to 60 tacks per device. The following buttons and switches are located on the device. The toggle button allows you to switch the device between fire and reload mode. An audible click will be heard when the toggle button is depressed. When held in the unlocked position, the device can be loaded and unloaded. The articulation knob allows the device to be articulated or straightened with a single turn. The pin is inserted into the proximal end of the reload to load the device. The device will be packaged in reload mode. Notice the red toggle button is exposed. This indicates that the device is in the straight, unarticulated position. First, select the appropriate reload. Remove it from the package by grabbing the distal end of the reload and lifting up. Do not grab the shipping wedge. Do not remove the shipping wedge until the reload is properly attached. To load the ReliaTack device, pull and hold the blue lock switch button located on top of the instrument in the back position. Insert the pin located at the distal end of the shaft into the reload. Ensure that the arrow on the shaft is aligned with the arrow on the shipping wedge. Push the reload onto the distal end of the shaft until the two arrows meet. Release the lock switch button, allowing it to return to the forward position. Gently pull on the reload to confirm that the device is properly loaded. Remove the shipping wedge once the reload is properly locked and loaded. Insert the device through a 5mm or larger cannula. Articulate the device to 65 degrees by turning the articulation knob clockwise with a single turn. Ensure that the device is in fire mode with the green toggle button exposed. Grip the handle of the device and press the distal end of the shaft against the mesh at the location where fixation is desired. Moderate external counter pressure is needed for adequate tack deployment in an articulated position. To fire the instrument, the trigger should be squeezed completely. An audible click will confirm that the squeeze has been completed. The trigger should be held in the fully squeezed position until the device is removed from the application site. Release the trigger fully. The next tack reloads automatically, and the device is ready for the deployment of the next tack. Subsequent squeezes are required to completely fire the reload. The number of squeezes is dependent on the number of tacks, 5, 8, or 10. After the reload has been completely fired, straighten the ReliaTack device by turning the articulation knob counterclockwise with a single turn, ensuring that the device is not in direct contact with viscera or the abdominal wall. Remove the instrument from the body cavity to unload the single-use reload from the instrument. Ensure that the device is in the straight, unarticulated position, then push the left side of the toggle button to expose the red portion of the button. Pull and hold the blue lock switch button located on top of the instrument in the back position. Pull the reload off of the shaft of the device and discard. ReliaTack Articulating Reloadable Fixation Device. Superior performance from many angles.